Hello children, I hope everybody is fine out there at home. Okay, so today we are going to study regarding the water resources. In the previous chapter, we have already done regarding the distribution of soil in India. Then we have already learned about the coastal plains and island group, desert, then distribution of land resources. Clear? So today we are going to do about the water. Now, we all know that water is one of the most important natural resources found on the earth. Now, life in our planet, it is not very possible without the existence of water. Can we live without water? We cannot live without water. Clear? And as we all know that earth, 70% of the earth's surface is covered by the water. Clear? And only fraction of it can be used for the human consumption. Clear? So, water of the oceans and seas cannot be used for drinking. Why? Do you know why we cannot drink the water of ocean and seas? Because it contains a saline, the salt water. Can we drink salt water? We cannot drink salt water. Clear? So, fresh water are present where? In the rivers, lakes and ponds, which can be used for the human purposes. Clear children? So that is why only 1% of the total water they are present in the earth. So as we all know that natural resources they are very much varied from one place to another. Fresh water is not equally abundance in the earth's surface. So what we see that some of the desert, hot desert, there's a scarcity of water. Clear? So every place they have some water and there the less of water. Clear? So next one is the water resources of India. Water resources are there what? That Himalayas. Okay, in Himalayas, the peak of the Himalayas, it is covered with the snow. So during the summer what happens? That snow started to melt and it takes the form of the perennial river which flows. Clear? So snow covered mountains of the Himalayas, they are the rich sources of the fresh water. So most of the perennial, as you can see, Ganga, Indus, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, they are all originating from the mountains. Now, Tista, Mahanadi, Godavari, these are the names I think you have heard it about. They are some of the important rivers of the country. Now, even the rainfall distribution, how the rainfall is in distribution, it is varied from one place to another. And these are the places which suffer flood every year, like Meghalaya and Assam. Okay, then due to the distributions of the water, and you can find less part of Rajasthan where you can find out the 10 centimeter of water in a year. Now, coastal region. Let us move towards the coastal region. They are located near the seashore. Okay, they are also used for the fishing and other activities. Coastal towns, they are very much important for the dockyards and the ports where you can find the domestic and international trade relations are also done. Okay, now we can find it out the waterfalls also, different types of fast flowing rivers you can find out in the Deccan regions. Okay, and you all know that in Deccan regions mostly the hydroelectricity generations have been activated due to the presence of the water. Now let us come to the most important one, conservation of water. What is a conservation? Conservation means what? How we need to protect it. So how we need to protect it from global warming, then human population is increasing day by day, pollutions of water. Okay, these are some of the major causes for the water scarcity. So what we need to do? We have to preserve them. So how we need to preserve them? Okay, that means we have rainwater harvesting is there, prevention of water wastes and pollutions are there, construction of the tanks are there, dams are there, reservoirs are there. These are certain methods for conserving the water. Okay, now we have already learned about the water pollutions, how this water polluted due to the harmful chemicals which is coming from the factories, then gases, pollutants, they are released into the water bodies. So they also cause the water pollutions. Clear? So many factors are there. So I hope that you have already understood regarding the water resources of India, as well as the most important is the conservation of water. Clear children? So please go through the videos, see any difficulty you have, please tell me. And when you go to the videos, books must be there with you. Okay. So thank you and stay safe.